This video, not only is it the energy, but boo, you coming with me. Oh, chill. Listen, don't get all excited at once, okay? Look at these items that Dollar Tree have. Are you ready for this video? Put a 1 in the chat. I just want to know if you're really ready for this video, because you know I'm gonna give you some good stuff. Let me know if you're ready. This item right here, I had no clue. I'm like flabbergasted right now because I did not know Dollar Tree sells stuff like this. See, I'm the type of gal that speak things into existence, and I told you guys that they had some amazing products. And I said they have some amazing products, and I'm bringing you nothing but the best. Get into this. And you see how it's like pretty much shiny? That is the oil that I had put, that I got from Dollar Tree. And it's the Amazon dupe, okay? $4.25. Absolutely amazing. Actually, I have 2 bottles on my dresser right now. Hands down, love it. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Honey, this video is going to be so good. Okay, you're going to say, dang, where was this girl at all my life? Okay, here. Okay, all right. Let me tell you something. Is a such thing called divine timing, okay? All right, now, I got an amazing haul for you guys today. We are going into Dollar Tree. Now, you know I bring you the best of the best. Not only do I bring you the best of the best when it comes to the items, but child, you know I bring the energy. Okay, all right. So, but first, I really want you to be sitting down. I really want you to be sitting. I don't want you to be tripping over anybody, you know, cooking and watching the TV. Child, because these items that I'm finna to bring you, you need to be sitting down, because I just don't want you to fall out. Okay? That's how good and confident I am of going inside this Dollar Tree here. Now, the Dollar Tree that I am going to, for the New Jersey folks, you guys know I'm a New Jersey girl, okay? I am right now on, I think this is 51st Street and Kennedy Boulevard. This Dollar Tree is okay with me. Let's see what they have inside. Before we go inside, I just want to thank you guys. Because if it's not for you rocking out to my videos, liking, comment, and subscribing, okay, I would have not brought that Range Rover. My Range Rover. Okay, speaking it into existence, let's go inside. Okay, look at this. Manila Bean Scent Exfoliating Foot Mask, 1 pair. Not only do they have the Vanilla Bean one, they also have the SPA Luxury Candy Apple Scent Exfoliating Foot Mask. Now, honey, I think those are the only 2 fragrances that they have. We also took a look at this last time. I definitely brought my children this, and it was the Peach Berry, I believe, the mineral bath salt. You remember I was shaking it, just thinking that, oh, maybe it's like bubble bath, although I read it, okay? And this is a steal deal. $1.25. They have candy apple, they have the peach berry, and then they also have the vanilla bean. Fancy panty. Now, Dollar Tree did bring this back, the jelly sticks. I know the area that I live in, they had it in the stores, and then they sold out, and then for a few weeks they didn't have it, but they definitely brought it back, and I definitely had purchased one. I think I had got the Body Balm the other day. To me, it's kind of, I know it's a stick, a jelly stick, but child, it's so stiff. Okay, all right, I don't know, maybe it needs to be in a warmer environment than where I have it currently in my room. But this is really, really good. But I would prefer, me personally, I would prefer just doing the lotion thing as opposed to rubbing the stick on my body. unless it's on my feet. That's good. Now, if you guys ever see this skin brightening treatment, this is good. Now, I have the, what is it, retinol night treatment on my face right now. And you see how it's like pretty much shiny? That is the retinol oil that I had put, that I got from Dollar Tree. And it's the Amazon dupe, okay, for $1.25. Absolutely amazing. Actually, I have 2 bottles on my dresser right now. Hands down, love it. Now, Dollar Tree has this natural white minute whitening tooth whitening system. Fast results and easy to use, guaranteed to whiten teeth beyond tough surface stains. Clinically proven, safe and effective. So it says brighten your smile in 5 minutes. This is $1.25. They also have these now. Dollar Tree had these for, a minute. I absolutely love these. The Grin Floor Sticks is $60 in a pack. They also comes in different colors. So they have the green, which says clean. They have the pink that says smooth. And then they also have the blue that says double, twice the clean, because it has 2 floor sticks on 1 stick. Really, really cool. Then they also have the Guru Nada floor sticks. I absolutely love these. It's $60 in a pack for $1.25. They also had these brush buddies for the little children. And Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree that's next to my home, they have these toothbrushes that says Squishmallows. I believe it says. Okay, 45 count. Really, really cute. Now, we talked about the Guru Nada toothbrushes, and in fact, I told you guys that this brand is pretty much everywhere. It's in TJ Maxx, it's in Walmart, it's in Dollar Tree. But the phenomenal thing, so some of you guys, you probably are looking for the mouthwash. A few places that I have been successful, well, one place in particular I've been successful in finding the mouthwash. It is in TJ Maxx for $9.99. All right, it has 2-part systems for the mouthwash, but Dollar Tree, they have the toothbrushes. Okay, so you could get these fancy toothbrushes for $1.25, and they come in different colors. Look at the quality. This looks absolutely amazing. Dense bristles, better clean. Comes in different colors. Me personally, I like the medium, like this right here. I like the medium brushes better because to me it just cleans better. They also have this one. This is extra soft. Now, extra soft, honey, it ain't finna do my teeth nothing. Okay, all right. Interdental picks, sorta like the floor sticks. 20 picks for $1.25. Okay, this is definitely new at Dollar Tree. This nail polish right here, Candy Mayo. So they have about 2 colors, and it look like it's good from the looks of it. 2 colors, so they have the purple, and then they have this pinkish peach mix blend together going on, and these are $1.25. Now, when it comes to nails, Dollar Tree say, you know what, we taking it to next level. You can always, if you are a person that's like, you know what, I need me a fresh set, okay, probably every other day, once a week or so, Dollar Tree always have ready to wear nail sets. Okay, now the glue is not included, but they have the glue here for $1.25 as well, and normally it's like 12 pieces for $1.25. So these are pretty much the designs that they have over here. The multicolor, they had this one for a minute already. And what about this one? This is cute, fancy. Now we're gonna see if they have these chips. You guys know the sour cream and onion. I don't know what's going on, Dollar Tree. Come on, all right? You ain't rocking with me or something? Because I've been coming to this location and I still don't see it. I still don't see it. When y'all gonna put the sour cream up? Come on now. Now, Dollar Tree has these sesame chips. I like these. I had brought the honey and something before. Last time, it was a few Dollar Trees ago. Okay. These are good, though. This is just the regular sesame chips. But they have some that says, like, different flavors. And this one just says original. This is definitely the first time that I am seeing these. These are garlic parmesan pretzel sticks, hand seasoned in small batches, made with flavors so bold is lip smack and finger licking goodness and crunch. All right, honey, I ain't, the marketing is good, and it's called Pop Daddy pretzels. They also have these wonton strips, which are $1.25. Honey, I was spending like $3 for the wonton. Well, not the wonton, the croutons, right? And these, they look appealing. All right, now they ain't got too much going on with them, but $1.25, you cannot beat that. This cup is so cute. This glass Daddy's sippy cup. Fancy. Decisions are the worst. No, honey. Now, come on now, Dollar Tree. Now, come on now. Decisions are the worst. All right? Not making a decision is the worst. They also have this cup right here. Whiskey. Extra special. Okay? On the rocks. All right? These are super duper fancy. $1.25. Not bad at all. Now, we had seen some of these hats and gloves, Snuggadoo socks. Ooh, child. These are new. Wow, I like these. Oh, they feel so soft. Have you guys gotten the Snuggadoo socks? Because, child, let me tell you, when I tell you these things feel soft, they feel so soft and comfy. $1.25. Dollar Tree also have their earmuffs, the hats, the gloves, the scarves. Honey, you name it, they have it. All right. Now, these, oh my goodness, these sold out so quick. The Twizzler socks, they had a few pairs of the Twizzler, and it was another candy that they had. No, it wasn't the Blow Pop. It was something else. But these are really good. Very soft. But me personally, when it comes to, comparing them, I would definitely do the Snuggadoo as opposed to these. I mean, these feels okay, but the Snuggadoo, honey, it's just taking your feet to next level. Okay, this is luxury sweet. All right. And they have some more Snuggadoo socks. Really cute. Let me know in the comment section. Oh, child. Wait, hold on. Now, these are new. Pink label. Will do. Now, I put the will do to it. All right. Look at this. Really cute. Dollar Tree also had these 2-pack bags with the Minions, Spider-Man, and these are so cute. Disney Princess, Minnie Mouse. So, you have small children like I do, they can put all sorts of things in here. If they going to stay at their daddy house or their grandparents' house, honey, they could put their toothbrushes in here, their soap or whatever. Okay, they little snacks. Really cute. And it comes 2 packs for $1.25. I did not know that Dollar Tree sold cork. Oh my goodness. Child, you can get cork from here. So used on tubs, sinks, windows, trims, and more. Wow. Honey, I don't know if I'm late to the party or not, but this is really good for the tub, especially for the tub. They'll put the cork and stuff around there. Absolutely amazing for $1.25. Okay, so you guys, I have showed you guys the self-adhesive hooks. Now, this location, Dollar Tree location, they have more of a variety when it comes to the adhesive hooks. Okay, not only that, they also have a wider collection like this right here, 12 pieces for $1.25. This is a steal deal. They also have the self-adhesive hooks right here, 4 pieces. Then they have the 6-piece count. different colors it comes in. They also have the clear. They also have the wooden style removable hooks. This is cute, $1.25. Very, very fancy. Then they have the 12 pieces that comes in white as well. Really good. I didn't know Dollar Tree sell padlocks. Chill. Honey, it feel like I've been up under the rock, okay? I did not know that. Also, if you need like the larger size when it comes to removable hooks, because if you hanging up like a big picture or something like that, they have the 2 pieces. This holds up to 3 pounds, and then they also have it in the wood color, okay, the wood material, 3 pounds as well. Really, really good. I always love when Dollar Tree have the Smurf socks. Like the name brand, okay? Like the Pringles. They have Snoopy, Peanuts, Crew socks, the Cocoa Krispies, Angry Birds. Look at this, the Rice Krispies, the cheeses. This is really cute. And they also have these slippers. Now, these is good. If you go into a hotel or something, you going out of town, these are really, really good to have. $1.25. You cannot beat that. These socks, I like these. Me personally, I really like short, like low ankle socks. You know, really low ankle socks. I really don't care. To be wearing socks a lot, but I do love buying brand new socks. Now, some of you guys may be like, why? Right? But I love buying brand new socks. Fancy socks. Like, nice socks. Okay? All right? And if I buy a pair of socks like this, wait, hold up, Beverly Hills, chill. Polo socks. Now, if I buy a pair of socks like these, like long like this, I love showing them. Okay, I don't like buying socks like this and they up under my pants leg. So these socks like this, I know it may sound silly, but I would definitely wear these like in the summertime or springtime, because to me it makes no sense buying socks like this and then they up under your pants. Okay, so Dollar Tree have all the socks and things you need, all for $1. Wait, hold on. This is definitely new to me. I never seen, you know, socks like diabetic socks. Come on now. Non-binding, extra wide top, soft cushion sole, smooth toe seam, women's socks. Child, I never in my entire existence knew that they even had socks that was for diabetes. Okay, for diabetics. Okay, child. $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these hardware storage cases. Now this is really good for screws, nails, anything pertaining to hardware. This is really, really good to have. Now, these bowls are definitely new. It has like the gold trim around the bowl, $1.25. They have bowls like this that's going to cost you about $5. $1.25. Really, really good. Hey family, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item in here. Okay, mine was definitely those socks. You know, the Snuggle socks for the fall season is always a hit.